I've got this piece of oak that I think I'm gonna make a vase out of it. Well, either that or a unusual bowl. So I've got it mounted between centers with a spur on the left. And so you can see I've cut this down a little bit on the tops of these and on the ends of these to get the diameter small enough. It's 2 or 3 inches above the deck, so it's good. But in any case, it's mounted, and we'll see how it goes. I may have to change something, but we'll see. Well, you can see I've added my 4-jaw chuck with my medium-sized clamps, or grabbers, or whatever you want to call them. Jaws, that's the word. My medium-sized jaws, and I've got them pretty deep in there. That way it's holding much quite a bit. I expect it'll work very well. I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do. I want to get this kind of into where this is thinner up here and have a nice smooth curve to here. What that'll mean though is that this will still be here. So when I start hollowing out the inside, once I set this depth, when I hollow the inside, I might lose this or retain some small part of it, because if you look at this is at some point, and this is at least 2 inches farther in, or 2 inch less radius than this. So we'll see what that means. I'm probably going to lose this because I don't want to make this really small, but I got to get a nice curve in here. So it's coming up and then over. So this will probably curve. This knuckle here, this bend will go away. Okay, I finally finished this oak vase. Or I wouldn't call it a vase. I guess I might call it a candle holder. I'll show you that in a minute. But it was very difficult because of this hollow shape and the way out of balance. You can see that the right side here is much larger than the left, so it shook the lathe. I never could get very high in RPM, so it made it more challenging to do. Plus sanding out the inside was a challenge. And I didn't sand it as fine as I would have liked to, but it was just so challenging. And it's nice the way it is. It's got some interesting features, like that feature there in the distance with the spalting. It looks like this log was cut off perfectly straight and then grew back in, filled in. So it's interesting there. It's got these 3 branches that are what makes up most of this bowl. I didn't hollow it out deep, and I don't have a good excuse other than I kind of like it the way it is, and I'll show you why in a minute. So in any case, that's where I am. I'll put this guy up. So what I got is a candle, and you can see it fits nicely in there. And I'm also going to turn it over because it also fits nicely on the pedestal. Okay, I can turn this over and put the candle on either a wood wick or a Yankee candle or any other this is kind of a standard diameter. A lot of candles come this diameter, and it would fit nicely on either side. Here you can see that straight line again, and it looks kind of interesting this way, and it's planar, so it's pretty much horizontal for the candle right here. So it all looks good. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe for more similar wood turning videos. Please comment on the video and I should respond. I make a video about once a week.